Question 2. A student samples of these 4 compounds but does not know which is which. Butanoic acid, 2-methylpropanol, 2-methylpropanoic acid, 2-methylpropanol. Step 1, 2 of these compounds can be identified by a simple chemical test. Step 2, the other 2 compounds that contain the same functional group as each other can then be distinguished using spectroscopic technique. Describe how these 2 steps could be used to identify which compound is which for 6 marks. There's 3 stages. Stage 1. Now we have propanol, 2-methylpropanol. That's an aldehyde. So how do you identify an aldehyde? Well, let's use Tollens region, and we get a silver mirror. And this is to identify the aldehyde / in this case 2-methylpropanol. Stage 2. Well, we also have 2-methylpropanol. That is an alcohol. It definitely is an alcohol. So we can use acidified potassium dichromate, classic test, dichromate. And what happens is it goes from orange to green, and this is to identify the alcohol / 2-methyl propan 1. Oh, yes, I spelled it wrong, but there we go. Okay, now stage 3 is definitely probably going to be the hardest stage of the 3, because for stage 3 we've got the aldehyde out of the way, we've got the alcohol out of the way. By out of the way, I mean we've identified them by using these tests, simple chemical tests. Now we've got propanoic acid and butanoic acid. They both are carboxylic acids. So how would we be able to, they contain the same functional group, so how would we be able to identify which compound's which? Well, it's going to be distinguishing the acids. We want to use infrared spectroscopy to distinguish between the 2 acids. Then we want to use the fingerprint region, the region below 1500 centimeters to power -1. We use the fingerprint region of infrared spectrum, and then we can look for exact match to spectra. Look for exact match to spectra of known compounds, aka what the difference is. And that is the end of question 2.